Hello, I'm Dennis Lanzaat and today I'm gonna show you a wedding bouquet, a cascade wedding bouquet, but then hand-tied with a very cool technique, I think. We're gonna use these beautiful Solo Mio spray carnations because they can be used without any water for a whole day for the wedding. We can just very gently snap them out of here because we're gonna use them dry anyway. We don't really need to cut them. So the floral adhesive, we're gonna just apply it a little bit on the carnations here. We're really gonna fold them into the raffia, so there's a big surface area touching the glue. Just put a few of them into one string. We're now gonna continue with the white spray carnations. They're actually quite popular now with us in the shop because people really see them in a different light. In wedding bouquets, in normal bouquets. And of course, again, we're gonna use the open flowers of another bunch of raffia. We're gonna make a base out of it. Then basically we fold it into two pieces. And the idea is actually that this is gonna be the waterfall, but we want some depth in there. For a solid base, we're gonna just put a stick in here. And I got some wire here, and we're gonna just tie it up really tight. Always make sure that you put this very sharp end into the raffia so the bride doesn't cut herself. And then we don't want these loops in here. We want them all loose. So it looks like a bale of straw. Make some different lengths in there. It's going to be pretty quickly to put this all together. But for a very firm base, we're going to use this dill. And it's actually the seeds of the dill, and we're just gonna try to make some different levels in there. Then we haven't used the Dianthus yet, which is a beautiful variety which fills up the bouquet quite nicely and quickly. We're gonna tie it all more in a spiral instead of putting them all parallel together. We're gonna put some details into the bouquet now. We got these nice scabiosa seeds here. The same with this statis, which is almost dried. So we're gonna get our preparations here, put this over the bouquet. We're gonna make sure that they're evenly divided everywhere. So to finish it off, we're gonna use some nice ribbon. And last but not least, we're gonna use some more dried flowers, some heligrisum or straw flower. So this one's finished, and now I want to share a quick idea with you for a boutonnière. Just make a tiny bouquet in your hand. And now to bring it all together, of course we're gonna put some raffia around this too. And again with the glue, we're just gonna add a few details. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of making a quick waterfall wedding bouquet and hope to see you next time.